going to show you how to edit the player in the Apple Music app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this in songs. From here we just hover over the library, and here we have edit. If we click on this, then we will be able to select what kind of menus we want to have here. So for example, if we want to see genres and composers as well, we can click on those too, and then tap on done, and then we will find these here. And here we will find our songs grouped by genre. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.